Hi, David Hood here, and today I want to talk about why the sites that I build for you are so easy to modify and why they still look really good. And you don't need to be a coder to do some pretty advanced things that normally you would need to know what's called CSS and maybe even PHP to make some of these changes. So this is an example site that I'm going to go into the back end and I'm going to show you why it's so easy to do. So here's the WordPress backend, which is normally really easy to do basic things like make a post or a page. It's a simple. I have other tutorials for that, but it's as simple as like making a Word document. But what I install is a customization of what's called Catalyst and Dynamic, and the level of options that you have in here, especially within the dynamic area, really allow you to have a ton of flexibility. Normally, all of this stuff. So if I go into my header, what can I do with my header? Okay, you can change the width of the header. You can change the height. You can even, if you go to the core options, you can make it so that the header splits across you have like a left area and a right area for your header. And there's all sorts of different. You can mess with the width of your site, the wrap. That's kind of like the border between different pieces of your site. So if you wanted a border here, a good example of something that has borders is this website. So this right here, it's these little white lines right there. That's the wrap. This is another example of the same thing, and it's very efficient to be able to design like this because you don't need a designer, and you can do a lot with this. There's so many options, and you can see, I click on widths. There's not a whole lot of options there, but with your nav bar, you can change the color, you can move things around, you can change the width or the height of things without having to know really advanced things. You can know advanced things, and that will let you know. But what I try to do is I try to set up a system that is inexpensive for you, to where it costs you about as much time to do yourself as it would be for you to hire someone else. That is the main idea behind what I build for people. I mean, in my past life, I was an efficiency engineer. I love doing things more efficient. I love saving people money and saving people time, and that's what this is all about. And I've searched and I've searched and I've searched, and the way I set these websites up for people, it's extremely powerful and it's extremely efficient to where it's very cost effective from time and money standpoint. So if you have any questions, let me know. Give me a call or shoot me an email. Thanks for watching. David Hood.